Can minors work in family businesses? Attorney, bawal ba talaga ang minors sa trabaho o pwede silang magtrabaho sa family business kung light work lang? Okay, under RA 92231 and the Labor Code, mayroon pong exception for family businesses. So, pwedeng magtrabaho ang bata na below 15 kung parents or guardians ang employer, light work lang, at hindi delikado, at hindi nakakasagabal sa school, rest, at development. Okay? So, ano ba yung light work? It means arranging items, basic chores, simple errands, tasks that do not involve sharp tools, heat, or heavy lifting. So, hindi po sila nagluluto, hindi sila pinapahawak ng mga matatalim na gamit, no, or nagbubuhat ng mabigat. So, pero kapag ginawang regular employee na sila, meron pong schedule, may heavy task, at hindi na nakakapasok sa school, nagiging child labor na po yan kahit family business pa yan.